Hello everybody, ninth graders, good evening and good morning. Today I'm going to record the third session for Adobe Dreamweaver. So till now what we have seen is we have seen this home page. Okay, so if you click on home page, you get your picture depending on your theme, and then you get this 3-4 tabs. Okay, and here you get this text, and if you click on this it goes to your school page, right? And here if I click on image gallery, it will go to the gallery where you had added the effects, and if you click here it will come back. Now today we are going to create a new page about, which is called as about books, or in your thing, in your it depends on your theme. If it is a horror movie, you will write the name of the horror movie or about the name of the movie. Okay, and you will link this to a new page, which will look something like this. Okay, and here at the bottom you will add 4 new images for each different breeds of books, and if I click on this it will take me to a new YouTube video. Okay, we will try to embed the videos like this. This is what I am going to create in this class. Okay, so that's the goal of this class. uh, so let's start. Okay, so what you will do is you will go to the dream viewer. Okay, let me close this. Okay, and you will, once you open the dream viewer, you will click on create new HTML here. Okay, hold on, let me, here, create new HTML. Okay, and then once you open here, you will go to file on the top, here on the top, file, save as, click on save as, and give the name as about, A-B-O-U-T, okay, about underscore. Okay, if your theme is books, you give books, and if your theme is some horror movie for 9A, I think, you'll give a name about, like, whatever, like about Evil Dead or about something. Okay, so here I will say, I will keep it books. Okay, so I'll give the file name as about underscore pugs, and make sure this path is the same path where you have all your files. For example, you will go to the inside here. Okay, web design, and you will keep where you have your home page. Okay, so you will create a new file, say about books, and save in this folder. Okay, don't think, don't see this I have already created before recording, so don't worry about that. Okay, so I will save. So once I save, this is the name of my web page. So if you go back to your folder, here you will see that this page is created. Okay, and if I open this page, it is blank. Okay, now in this page, first of all, I want to create a table with 2 columns, 1 row and 2 columns. So what I will do, I will go to insert here on the top, and I will click on insert. I will click on table. Okay, I am selecting table, and how many rows? I need 1 row, but how many columns? I need 2 columns. Okay, so 1 row, 2 column. Table width. Okay, here select the drop down box and select percentage. Okay, percent, and make it 100%. What it means is, if I open the page here like this, if I open the page, this table should be complete 100% depending on your screen size. Okay, so select percent 100, border thickness give it as 5, cell padding give it as 10, okay, and cell spacing give it as 5. Okay, I will tell you what is this and say okay. Okay, now once you say okay, save it, Control S, and refresh your page to check whether it is coming or not. Okay, now you see what it means here. You see I have the cell border of 5. Cell padding is the difference for example here. If I click here, what is the difference between this cursor on the top and the bottom is the cell padding, and the difference between the cells is also 5. Okay, so that's about cell padding and cell difference. Now here I want to insert the YouTube video and I want to paste some text about the books or your horror movie, or you can also paste the trailer of the horror movie, or you can paste the trailer of a books in a movie or something like that. Okay, so in this column, first of all I will go to Wikipedia. Okay, I will go to Wikipedia and I'll copy some text about books. Okay, books dot. Okay, mm, English BOGS books dog. Oh my god, where is this books? Okay, I'll copy some text which I've already found out from somewhere else. Want to waste my time. Okay. Oh, book. It's book. Okay. So I went to this web page and I will copy the first part of this. Okay, whatever it is here. Control C. Okay. And I will go to the dream viewer and this second table cell I will paste this. Okay. Don't worry about the format. Copy the entire format and make this as a paragraph. Okay, here select, make it as paragraph. Okay, and size make it 12. Okay, and make it right align here, right align. Okay, and then you make this exactly half of like this. Okay, and maybe I can increase the font, it's too small. Let's make it 16. Okay, and font make it let's say Courier monospace. I will select this font. Okay, and I will save and I will refresh. Okay, now here for this particular table cell, right, I want to give a background color only for this. So here select the background color and give your favorite color. Okay, so let me give some light color here. Okay, save and refresh. Okay, and then let me change. Now I will come here. Now click here on this here, and here we are going to replace this with a YouTube video, right? So go to the YouTube video where you want to, what you want to paste, and let's say I want to paste this video. Okay, so once you get this video here, go down, and here where it says share, okay, click on share. Okay, if you click on share here, you will get these three options: share, embed, or email. Okay, so click on embed here, and copy this entire iframe, whatever code you get. Okay, so copy this entire embedded code, copy. Okay, and go to the dream viewer, click on this cell where you want to paste, and click on the code view here. Here you have the design view, right? Similarly, you have the code view here. So click on the code view here. Okay, and once you click on the code view, you will see that you have this text, you have this cursor highlighting here, exactly here. You see here, right? So what does it mean? So if I go here, and if I go to the design view again, and if I write something here, hello, save. Okay, and if I refresh my page here, I'll close this. If I refresh my page, you see I'm getting this hello here. So go to the code view, and you see I wrote hello here, right? So it came here. So exactly, now delete this hello part. Okay, pay very careful attention. Be very careful here. Don't delete any of the code. Just delete the hello part and paste, Control V, paste the iframe code completely what you copied from YouTube. Okay, and then go to the design view and just save. Okay, now if you refresh your web page, okay, you should get this video here. Okay, now I have these blank spaces here, so I will remove that. I will go here, okay, and just click, click on this middle line, okay, and make it okay. Leave it as it is. Don't worry. Leave it 50%. Okay, and just save. Don't do anything here. We cannot resize this. And open this, refresh. You should see this YouTube video here. Okay, and now let me give a background to this white color here. So click here. Okay, click here on this cell. You see here it's, if you click here, it's showing this cursor. Okay, now once you click on this, go to this background color here, this the bottom one here. Okay, so click here and give a different background color or the same background color if you want. Okay, I'll give something different here. Okay, and save and refresh. Okay, so once you refresh, if it loads, you will get this color. Okay, now give a name, title here. If I open here on the top, you see I'm getting this name. I'm getting untitled document here on the top. So I want to rename this. So how I will do that? I will go to the dream viewer and I will rename this as about page. Sorry, about page in capital letters. About page. Okay. Save, refresh, and check. You see, I should get this new name here on the top. Okay. Now, once we are done with that, now the next thing is here you click here at the end. You see here it's the cursor. Hit enter so that you get the cursor down. Okay. Once you hit enter, now go to insert again. Okay. Go to insert again and click on table and add 4 columns and 1 row. Okay. So I click on table again and I will add 1 row. That's fine. 4 columns here. I'm adding 4 columns. Leave everything as it is. Table width is %100. Border thickness, make it instead of 5, make it 10. Okay. Cell padding, make it 10, and cell spacing also make it 10. Okay. Then say OK. Okay. Now save, and if you go back and you refresh, you will see that a new table column has been inserted, but this is merged because I don't have much space. So what I will do, I will click here. Okay, I will do a double click and I'll give some space. I'll give one more space, 2 spaces in between these 2 tables. Save and refresh. Okay, so that this is separate. I just wanted them to separate. Okay, so you see each cells are separated because of the padding here. Now what I will do, I will add those images what you have added in the gallery already, or you can download new images. Okay, let me download new images. What I will do is I will download few new images so that we don't get confused. Images, pictures. Okay, let me add these two: desert, jellyfish, penguins, and lighthouse. I will add this to my path. Where is my path? My path is here. Okay, I'll add my new images here. Okay, I have added these 4. Okay, now I will go here and I will refresh my path. Okay, if I refresh my path, or you can go to here, site, manage site, and select the name of the site what you created in the first exercise and say OK. Here you will get this. So one by one I'll start adding one image here. Okay, so I will add the first image as, let's say, desert. Okay, I will drag and drop, and I will give the alternate text as, you can give any name. Let's say about 1. Okay, I will give this name. Say OK. Okay, so I want this size to be, I want the size of the image to be, let's say, 400 by 400. So once you add the image, click on the image here in the properties field. Okay, so click on the image and go to the properties field here where you have the width and the height. Okay, so select the width as 400 and click enter. Okay, now control Z. Okay, let's do in a different manner. Click on the image, okay, and do a right click on the image. Okay, once you do a right click, you go to optimize here. Click, and here you go to optimize here. Okay, if you, that is below here, if you click on optimize, okay, you will get these two options, options and file, and click on this file option here. Okay, click on this option file, and after you click on file, okay, here you make the width as 400. Okay, once you make type 400, click here. Okay, and it will automatically reduce the size of the height. You need not do anything. That's called aspect ratio. Okay, so say okay, and once you say okay, arrange the size of the table. So click on this and do a double click like this. Okay, now don't worry about this. This is small because we don't have image here. So second, let's drop some other image. I'll drop the jellyfish here. Say about 2. Say OK. Similarly, right click on the image, optimize, click on optimize, and click on file here, and make the size as 400. Okay, and click here. It will automatically make it 300. Say OK. Okay, and then after that you reduce the size of the table like this. Okay, then on the third, paste the third image. I will paste this image. In your case, you can have different images depending on your theme. Copy here, name it as about 3, hit enter, right click, optimize, click on the file, and make the size, the width. Okay, scale should be 100%. Make it 400 and click here. It will make it automatically 300. Say OK, and after that reduce the size of the table width, and finally click on the last column, drag and drop the fourth image, say about 4 as the alternate text. Say OK, click on the image, right click, click on optimize, click on file, click on 400 and click here. It will make it 300 automatically. Say OK, and finally reduce the size of this table. Okay, finally after if you add the fourth, you will see that automatically all the images are arranged. Save and refresh. Okay, now what I want is, let's give a border to this table. So click this table here. Okay, click the entire table. Okay, and click on background color here. Okay, so now click on background color and give a different color of your choice. Okay, and save. Okay, save and refresh. Okay, now you will see, oh, it's very bad. Let me change the color. So select the table here, select the entire table, all for all the 4, and I'll give some light color. Okay, I'll give this, save, refresh. Okay, now I have this YouTube video, I have this text, and I have these images. So what I will do is, for each and every image, if I click, I have to open a new YouTube video. So search for different YouTube videos. For example, I will select this video here. Okay, once you select this video, click on share. Okay, here you need not embed. Okay, here you can only have the link. If you want to do, what for the first time what we did was we had this YouTube video embedded in the web page, but here we don't want to do that. Instead, if you click on this image, it should go to the YouTube link, right? So instead of that, you just copy this link. After sharing, go to the image here, click on the image, okay, and here once you click on the image, here you will get a link tab. Okay, you paste the YouTube link, and here in the target below, drop down here and select blank. That means it will open the link in a blank web page. Okay, so I will do it very fast. So I will copy this, paste this link here. In the target field, I will select and select blank. Okay, similarly, click on the next image, open as different video. Okay, and then click on share, copy this YouTube video and paste the link here, and target, select it as blank. Similarly, for the third image, okay, you open any different video of your choice, okay, and then click share, stop here, okay, and click on share, copy this link on the third image, paste the link here, and target should be blank. Similarly, for the final video, okay, select here, say share, okay, copy this link and paste the link here, and the target should be blank. And finally, save the web page and refresh your web page. Okay, so if I refresh your web page, and now if I go like this, it will show you a hand icon, okay, instead of cursor like this. Okay, now click on this, it should open that video. Similarly, click on this, it should open this video, new videos. Okay, so similarly, I want you to complete all these exercise. And finally, you can also have a background to the entire web page. For that, you click here wherever you have white space, okay, and go to page properties, and in the page properties, click on background color, okay, here in the background color, and you can select any color of your choice to give a background color to your web page. Okay, so I'll select, let's say this. Okay, say apply. Okay, if you say apply, you will see that the background changes. Say okay. Okay, and then finally save and refresh your web page. So you will see that you have created a new about page. Now finally we have to add a link from here to the home page and from home page to here. So what you will do, go down here, okay, click on this last tab here, hit enter 2 times and type in caps back to home page. Okay, select this text and make it right align. Okay, once you make it right align, make it heading 6, no sorry, heading 3. Okay, and here in the link, click on the link here. After you select this, highlight this text, click on the link, click on the browse file, and you will select the home page. Okay, that means you are linking this page to the home page. Say okay and save. And similarly, let's check, I refresh. Okay, if I click here, it goes back to the home page, and from home page I need to go to the about page. So how I will do that, I will have to open the home page. Okay, open the home page. Okay, select this about text. Okay, and here in the link select browse for the file. Okay, and select the about books underscore ht about underscore books html page and say okay and save. Okay, now let's refresh our web page here and check. Okay, now if I click on about books, it goes to this web page, and from here I will come back. Similarly, if I click on image, it will go to the image, and back. If I click on back, it will come back to the home page. So that's the the third part of the web page. Finally, we have left with about me, wherein you will be creating your own web page. Let's think about some creative ideas how you can create your own web page, and we can design your web page as per your choice. It will be independent to you how you want to design. Okay, you can have a discussion with me what you want to do. You want to put images, YouTube videos about your family or whatever you like. Okay, so this is your final third part of Adobe Dreamviewer web page design. I hope you have enjoyed, and I'll be stopping this video here. So once you complete the exercise, like regularly, zip the folder, upload it to Schoology, and for evaluation. Thanks you for watching. Have a very nice day ahead. Thanks. Bye.